This video shows how to download Linux operating system on your laptop. So our group comprises of Ashwin Jacob, Ashwin Vijay, and Siddharthas.
Hello.
So we gotta need this virtual box. What's virtual box? It's a software we require to download various operating system. So we are gonna download this Linux through this virtual box. So let's start the virtual box download. So we
So,
have this various platform packages here. So this laptop is of Windows. So we gotta download the Windows version of that. The file has been downloaded. Now let's run the setup. So the setup is being installed. So we have installed the setup successfully. Now let's finish this.
after installing VirtualBox on a system, we will have to create a new virtual machine which is going to run the Linux operating system, and hence we will be able to uh, write and run C programs on the Linux operating system. For that, we'll have to create a new virtual machine by pressing new, and we require an ISO file which basically installs Linux on our system. For that, we'll go to our browser and install Ubuntu. The latest version of Ubuntu is this. Uh, it has long-term support. We'll install that. We'll download that. I've already downloaded this file, so we'll proceed with the installation. Here we press new. I'll name new VirtualBox as Ubuntu. We'll press next. The system has given 2 GB of RAM and one core for the processor. As default, we'll press next. 25 GB of disk space, next, and finish. Now we'll open the system. It'll take some time, so the Linux slash Ubuntu has loaded. We'll install Ubuntu. Let's wait for some time. Here we're going to proceed with the installation of Ubuntu. Install. We're going to choose English. Normal installation. install now. Continue. Choose the location as India. Enter your username and password. Continue. We'll wait for some time. The installation of Linux on the VirtualBox is now complete. We'll click restart now and wait. Now the VirtualBox has installed Ubuntu successfully, and our virtual machine is ready. So you can open up the terminal and start our installation of GCC. Here GCC is not installed on this Linux system, so we have to install it. For that we use the command sudo apt install GCC. We'll press yes. Want to continue. Now it will install GCC, so we'll wait. After installing GCC, we will write a program in the text editor and run to see the output. It's a very simple program. First, we have to create the .c file, which can be done using the command touch file name .c, hello.c in this case. After creating the file, we open the file in the text editor. We can write the C program like this: hash include std standard input output .h. It's the header file which includes the printf and the scanf statements. Here, the function, the main function has been started, and between the curly braces is the code. The main function requires a return, an integer return value, which can be provided by the return zero statement. The code has only one executable statement, which is printf, and it's printing hello world. So let's run the program in the terminal. After writing the code, we have to click save, and we have to go to the terminal and enter the command like this. This creates an executable file which is saved in the same directory, and it is it is the binary form of the text file which contains the code in C language. This creates the file, the executable binary file, and after that we can run the program with this command dot slash test. Test is the name of the file I've given, and it prints the output as hello world, because hello world is shown in the printf state printf function. So this completes the tutorial on how to install VirtualBox and then Linux and finally GCC and run a simple C program using using the Linux operating system and the GCC compiler. Thank you.